guys, today, sorry, I have a loose voice, and today, I'm gonna show you how I dyed my slime, and it's gonna look so to go. So jiggly. It's fun. I have a mess to clean, cause guess what? My cousin, Tracy, she did a huge mess with glitter. Now I did a mess. And I'm cleaning mine, and I'm going to tell my puppy and my family that's Tracy's mess. I'm talking so freaking low. Whatever. So, I have a friend from school. She's my friend in the game. I always check if she's playing something. Probably she was sleeping in Map City. Because when we were playing Map City, her house was pretty empty. Small. But hopefully she watched this video, so. Shame. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I done to this slime. Let's put it back in here. You guys are coming with me so I can clean this and mess up that me and my cousin Tracy. This is slime. And this is not homemade slime. So hold on. I can joke. I see what's in my mind. It's a dream. This is the outfit I wear when I cut my hair. I cut my hair all the time. What my mom does. So that's why you guys see me get short sometimes. I'm adding more contact solution. Tracy, what the heck? Like, Tracy, what the heck?
It didn't go on this. Put it on this.
And I think it was on my... I said, shoot! 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 What they shoot? Shoot! on the spot.
Okay. Show me that. I said don't show me.
No, it's the closet. I got my eyes. Okay. I put it right there. You're right here.
Wait, no, those pants do fit me now. My mom said that she made the thing shorter. That's why the other time it didn't fit.
Those were big pants for you?
They fit.
Okay, guys. I think you guys like this part. It's satisfying.
See, she kind of looks cute like that on her hair and eyes. Right? Her hair and eyes. I like her eyes.
I really like the hair. Her eyes kind of looks like hair. Who did that?
And we've been misjudging her this whole time. The reason she used to have little lips. The reason she has big lips, colorful lips. Hey, one of yours are missing too.
I'm gonna get that off later. No, it's not missing. That's the gray one. It's right here.
No. Never gonna come back.
Gosh, you guys, I had to put the camera here. Put it back. Contact. Okay. Here's a fact about my slime now. It doesn't really glow in the dark anymore, I think, but I only think it glows up in the morning. It didn't say anything about that. I'm trying to get my knee out of the way. So I have to get close to the camera for it. I had to do that because I had to put more contact.